So hey, this is Ripon Chapel from WP Theme once again, and in today's episode we'll have a look on typography control in Redux framework. So in our previous episode, like in our WordPress theme development series, we have shown you guys how to include the Redux framework for your theme options into your WordPress file. I have shown that. So today we will have a look how we can add some typography control to a particular field. Like you are seeing the preloader text, we have dynamic that text. So if I change it from here, then the preloader text of this one, it will get changed, and the text color, then we can add the background color also for the preloader. So we can add a lot of options here for the preloader text, so that our client can easily change that text things. So now we'll check how we can add the options for the typography. So if I go here and search like typography control for Redux framework, so I'll search for that typography control for Redux framework. Okay, Redux framework. So if I search that, then the options will come. Then I'll open it. Then you will see the options here, like how it will look now, the look of that particular control. So if I go here, in here you can read a lot about this. This is the type is string, then the id, then the title is also string. So what, this is the name, and this is the type, and this is the default value that is set by this field. So if I go a little bit below, then we will see an example, as you can see in here. So you can see fields is equal array, then the id, then the type, then the title, then the names that are required here or non required. So if I just copy it and paste it here, like so, I don't need to set the fields here. I just need to set the array. Then don't need the semicolon also. So this is all things, it is same now. So if I go here in here, sorry, in here, and give a refresh, then you will see the options here also. But I need to reform this a little bit, like OPT typography. This is not a OPT typography, so I will change the name, that this is a preloader typography. Preloader typography, and the type that is, obviously it will remain typography, and we need to change the text domain here to TechBiz, as I set this name to TechBiz now. And the Google, will it load from Google? Yes, true. Font backup also true. And output, where it will set. So the output of this, if I go to the preloader here, so if I go to the preloader and the text, you can see here. So this is the class here, preloader.bsbtn. So if I copy this, and the output will be applicable for only this class. Okay. By this we will have this, and the units, that units in pixel or percentage, this type of things, and the subtitle. So I will change the title first to preloader typography, and the description also I will set it to set up the preloader typography from here. Okay, typography from here, and the default value, it has been also set to color is to #333, then the font style, then the font family, then the Google, then font size also, then the line height also has been set. So if I go here now and give a refresh, you will see these things here. So the font family, that is coming from the Google, so I can set it to Advanced Pro. And the backup font family, I can also remove if this Advanced Pro is not loaded, then which one will be loaded from here. Okay, so if I only save changes and give a refresh here, then you can see the changes there on the preloader. and if I just disable the display none one, then you can see already the changes here. The cancel preloaded text font size, then the font, all the things has been changed here. And if I set the text align to left, suppose you can see there is a little bit space in the left, so or maybe there is no space. So if there is any space, then it will be aligned to the left. So if I save changes and just go here and check, okay, so space is not there, that's why it is not going to the left. So that option will not work if the space is, and the font size is 33, so we can reduce it to 20 pixel again, and we can set the line height of the text. So I'll click on the save changes again, and if I give a refresh here, and you can see the changes there already. The font size that has been changed successfully, and you can see we have already set the preloaded text color and here the font color. So we need to check that which one is working for our one. So color is coming from this one, because I have set this one as important to true. So that's why the color option is getting much more priority than this one. If we remove these options from here, then it will work from this font color. And you can give the automated update from here, one time update. And the font weight we can also change to like black 900, that means it is bold. And if I give a refresh now, then you can see the changes there also. So typography is a lot of fun. You can change the font to Greek or Latin extended, and font size, line height, backup, all of the stuff that is there. So this way you can change the any kind of typography text from here. So thank you very much. I will come back with a new fields here in our next episode. So till then, goodbye.